Hey, my name is Carter, and I'm gonna be doing the ice bucket challenge. And I challenge Shane Fisher and James.
Oh,
you can't change it?
He changed it. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the coolest thing in my life!
You ready? Go.
Was it nice and warm? Good job, buddy. Ice bucket challenge. Woo! Oh my goodness. Let's do the funky chicken. Oh my gosh.
Earlier. I'm gonna do it now.
Oh! You done did
To
it.
the ice bucket challenge, I challenge you and you.
I'm gonna use the leftovers.
You can go ahead and get the ice.
Yes, go get the ice
That
now!
was all the ice. That's all the ice we had.
In the free fridge?
You're gonna have to do yours. You get 24 hours to do it, so you're gonna have to do yours by the end of the day tomorrow. Maybe we'll do it when we got the swimming pool. You could be in the swimming pool and you do it tomorrow.
Where?
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah.
Swimming pool.
We're gonna get a little pool out here for the block party. You can do it there.
That's a long video.
All right.
Yeah, but he can edit that.
Say deuces. Say peace out.
Peace out. Bleep out. Bleep.
Oh yeah.